Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy Learning German with Ritu, and today we are going to do text number 7, which is Verkehrsmittel Transport. In this series, we will learn and understand the common themes that comes in your exam while speaking, while doing expression. So, I am showing you the complete text. Pause my video and go through the text by yourself. Nobody will use any kind of internet material, dictionary, Google translators, nothing. Just try to understand the text by yourself, then I will explain also. So, कोई भी डिक्शनरी या इंटरनेट ट्रांसलेटर टूल यूज नहीं करेगा। टेक्स्ट आप अपने आप समझने की कोशिश करेंगे और बाद में मैं वर्ड बाय वर्ड एक्सप्लेन भी करूंगी। सो नो चीटिंग, नथिंग, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ। खुद समझने की कोशिश करेंगे हम पहले। ओके ओके, सो आई होप नाउ यू कैन सी द कंप्लीट टेक्स्ट। आई एम गिविंग यू 2-3 minutes। ओके, सो आप ये टेक्स्ट देख सकते हैं। Pause my video and go through it. Now I am hoping आपने पॉज करके वीडियो ये पढ़ लिया होगा। अब मैं I will start to explain you this. Okay. I think text size is better now. You can understand what is written. So, Verkehrsmittel. What is Verkehrsmittel? Transport. In Deutschland gibt es viele verschiedene Verkehrsmittel. What does it mean? कि जर्मनी में बहुत सारे डिफरेंट काइंड के Verkehrsmittel ट्रांसपोर्ट उपलब्ध हैं या दे पाए जाते हैं। यू कैन से दैट। ओके, Menschen können sogar mit dem Auto, Bus, Straßenbahn, Zug und Fahrrad oder sogar zu Fuß unterwegs sein. So now they are giving the options. See, this is how you need to write and speak. अभी हम क्या करते हैं? Es gibt verschiedene Verkehrsmittel, zum Beispiel Bus, Zug, Fahrrad, Auto. Instead of that, how you need to write? People can travel with car, bus, public transport, trains, cycles, as well as they can walk. Okay. So this is how you will also say. Note down this sentence. Unterwegs means on the way. Zogar. Zogar is just, and even they can walk. That's how they are trying. So it is just an expression which means even. Modal verb können is used. That's why sein is written in infinitive form. Jedes Verkehrsmittel hat Vor- und Nachteile. Every transport has the advantages and disadvantages. Viele Menschen benutzen täglich den Bus oder die Straßenbahn, um zur Arbeit oder zur Schule zu fahren. So in this we have used zu. Zu plus infinitive. What is su? Purpose जब हम बताते हैं कि in this they are saying कि every day many people use bus and the public transport to go to work or go to school. So, what is the purpose of using bus? So that they can reach to the work or the school. These are verkehrsmittels in Praktisch, weil sie regelmäßig fahren und viele Haltestellen haben. So they are saying these are practical, these are usable, or it works day to day basis because they are available or they travel on daily basis regularly, regelmäßig, regularly, and they have many stops in between. Okay, many stations in between. Haltestellen, stops, stations. Since while we have used as a connector, so haben has gone at the end. Züge sind besonders wichtig für längere Strecken. So they are saying for long journey or long distance, trains are better and important, particularly important. Besonders wichtig, particularly important. Okay, I forgot to cover this one. First, let me just cover this sentence also. Außerdem sind sie oft günstiger als das Auto. Außerdem is apart from that. Please note down. So it is coming at a first position, then verb, and then the subject. Sie is the subject. So apart from that, these are often cheaper than the car. What is günstiger als comparative? Günstig, günstiger, am günstigsten. Der Nachteil ist, the disadvantage is, dass sie manchmal überfüllt sind und man warten muss. What is the disadvantage? That they are sometimes full and a person must wait. So sometimes already people are sitting there and there is no space. That's what they want to say. Überfüllt, overcrowded, you can say. Now, Züge sind besonders wichtig für längere Strecken. That means trains are particularly important for the long distance. Sie verbinden viele Städte miteinander und sind oft schneller als das Auto. So what is verbinden? Please note down this verb. Verbinden means to connect. To connect. So they connect many cities with each other. Miteinander is each other. And are often faster than car. Obviously train is faster than car. So schneller again comparative is used schneller als. Schnell, schneller, am schnellsten. Im Zug kann man bequem lesen, am Laptop arbeiten oder Musik hören. Now they are saying that train is comfortable, a person can comfortably read, work on computer or even listen music. So when it comes to transport theme, you can use these simple sentences also, giving option what you all can do activities in a train. Allerdings sind Zugtickets manchmal teuer und Züge können Verspätung haben. Allerdings is however. However, the train tickets can be sometimes expensive and they can also have delays. Verspätung haben. Sometimes the delay happens when we think about train because of fog and other unavoidable reasons. Das Auto ist für viele Menschen sehr flexibel. The car is for many people very flexible source of transport. Man kann direkt von Tür zur Tür fahren und ist abhängig vom Fahrplan. So he's saying that it is very comfortable. You can go directly from one door to another. That means you don't need to have waiting time, stops in between. It is not depending on the travel plan. Like when we travel in buses or trains, there is proper stoppages. Even if you don't want to get down, आपको उतरना ही पड़ेगा वहां पे, right? Doch in großen Städten gibt es oft Staus und Parkplätze sind teuer. Yes, but in big cities there are often staus. Often staus means traffic jams. And parking places are also expensive. You can note down as a Nachteil when you talk about the Verkehrsmittel. Außerdem verbraucht ein Auto viel Benzin und das ist schlecht für die Umwelt. Außerdem, again, apart from that, verbraucht is to usage. That means needs. A car needs lot of benzene. What is benzene? Benzene is petrol. So apart from that, a car needs or requires lot of petrol, which is bad for the environment. Umwelt is our environment. Sehr beliebt ist auch das Fahrrad. Very famous ist our bicycle. Es ist gesund, umweltfreundlich und oft schneller als das Auto, wenn es viele Stau gibt. So he's saying all-time favorite is bicycle. It is a good health habit and it is environment friendly. Umweltfreundlich, environment friendly and मोर ऑफन एंड ज्यादातर क्या होती है ये फास्ट होती है कार से इन केस बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक जैम होता है तब and often it is faster than car because when there is lot of traffic jam because it is bicycle it consumes less space कम जगह चाहिए होती है तो निकल जाती है besonders im Sommer fahren viele Menschen gern Fahrrad स्पेशली समर्स में बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं बाइसिकल चलाना पसंद करते हैं especially in summers, a lot of people do ride bicycles. Am Ende wählt jeder Mensch. At the end, every person chooses. Wählen is the verb which means to choose. Das Verkehrmittel, das am besten zu seiner Situation passt. So at the end, every person chooses the transport which is going best or suiting him the best in his situation. Je nachdem, ob es schneller, günstiger, flexibel oder umweltfreundlich unterwegs sein möchte. So it depends whether the person wants to be go fast, cheaper, flexible, or environment friendly. So every person chooses the transport as per his or her requirement. That's what they are saying. So last line is good. You can close your conclude your zusammenfassen the themes or the last line when you will speak. You can use these. These are good lines as to end your speaking. So I am showing this text again. Please note down if anybody has left anything. Okay. Write down the important words, verbs, allerdings, außerdem, wählen, last two lines. Yeah, regelmäßig, comparative, günstiger als, schneller als. Note it down. The first two lines, Menschen können mit dem Auto, dem Bus, Straßenbahn, Zug oder sogar zu Fuß unterwegs sein. The first two lines, these also you can write. Okay, I am hoping that you have noted all the important pointers. Now let's move to the um, Verkehrsmittel theme, the MCQ based. Welche Verkehrsmittel benutzt man viel täglich? Which one? Okay. So it was written when people want to go to school or bus, they travel with Bus or Straßenbahn. Was ist ein Vorteil von Zug? Man kann direkt von den Haustür parken. No, they cannot park the train in front of the house. As is Simmer Village, no, it is not always cheap. It depends on your journey. Where are you traveling? How you are traveling, right? Man kann während der Fahrt lesen oder arbeiten. Ja, it was written in the text. Er fährt nie zu spät. Yes, there are Verspätung. It was written in the text that there are delays. So one can read and work during the journey. That is the correct answer. Warum ist das Auto in der Stadt manchmal unpraktisch? Why the car is not so a practical option in some cities? While es keine Staus gibt because there is no traffic jam. While parkplätze are teuer sind because the parking places are very expensive. While man warten muss because the person needs to wait, while es keine Haltestelle gibt because there are no stoppage. So for personal car, you don't need any kind of stoppages. You don't need to wait for anything if you have your personal class. In big city, obviously there are traffic jams. Okay, and it was written in text also. So the parking place is often expensive. Parking place महंगी होती है. While a sign Vorteil von Fahrrad. Was ist ein Vorteil von Fahrrad? What is the advantage of a bicycle? It is expensive and slow? No, it is not any kind of advantage. As hard feeler, Haltesteller. It is your bicycle. You can stop anywhere you want. It is only be one can ride bicycle only in summers. No, you can ride it in spring season, winter season. So that is also not right. Okay. So what is correct? Das es ist gesund und umweltfreundlich. It is healthy and environment friendly. So, what did you learn from this text? The daily different kind of transports that belong to day-to-day life, buses, public conveyance stations, trains, right? In India, we have metros. In many of the cities, trains. Yeah, they are telling the advantages and disadvantages. And Bedürfnisse. Am besten passt or Bedürfnisse means requirement. What matches your requirement the best? Uh, I hope you could understand and it was a good learning and you could learn new sentences, new words out of this text and this was helpful. So keep watching. I will soon come up in the next video. You will see the text 8 again, common themes from E2. We will pick up. After text 10, I will start with new series for A2. So do wait for that. Keep watching. Do subscribe to my channel as well so that you keep getting the informative videos which will be helpful to you to keep your language skills up to the mark. Yeah. Till then, take care, guys, and have a good day. Bye bye.